we are the best in the world. When it comes to analytical skill, we are the best. Ellame best vechittu enga vela kedaikala. Employability because we don't use it properly. So what is needed is application of the mind. I said I will give you some tips, verbal crutches, or a few words that are used by people who speak. தமிழ்ல இருக்கா இது நான் என்ன சொல்ல வந்தேனாக்கா அடிக்கடி சொல்லுவாங்க சில பேர். நான் என்ன சொல்ல வந்தேனாக்கா this is a verbal crutch. Can you guess such verbal crutches in English? Lot of people, MS Dhoni used it. Madhuri Dixit. Do you remember Madhuri Dixit? That beautiful actress who came back after 10 years. When she gave an interview, she was in the USA. She spoke with American accent, but she used lot of verbal crutches. All people, all celebrities use this. Only thing is we don't catch it. போய் டிவி பாருங்க, டிவில யாராவது புதுசா பேசினாங்கனாக்கா போய் கேளுங்க. Definitely you will come across these verbal crutches. Verbal crutches are come on. One simple verbal crutch is, have I used any of these verbal crutches now in the class? Have I used any of these? How long is it? 1 hour? 40 minutes? I use pannirukana. What's your name? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was he? Very good. Sit down. Very Vladimir. I have to ask you yes. Nadi Mudde. This Nadi Mudde. When you shake hand, no, force. You don't have to shake. Grab it tightly. Come on. அதிகமாக ஆட்டக்கூடாது. சும்மா ஒரு ஆட்டு இங்க கொஞ்சம் ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ணுங்க. See, communication skills, communication does not get weightage. எதுக்கு weightage கொடுக்குறாங்க தெரியுமா communication skillsல? Body language. You all will faint if I say the percentage. So the percentage that I am going to tell you will not be exact. Body language, for body language it is 63%. Body language is 63% weightage. Spoken communication skill is 20%. Upper 20%, 63%. Then the remaining for stress, intonation. We call it as intonation. பேசும்போது ஒரே மாதிரி பேசினா தூங்கிட்டு கொஞ்சம் ஏற்றிக்கிட்டு கொஞ்சம் இறக்கணும். அப்போதான் பேச மாட்டேங்க. This is known as intonation, right? Some percentage is allotted to which one? Intonation. So what is important is body language. நீங்க உட்கார்ந்து இருக்கிற விதத்திலே I can understand. நான் வந்து உட்கார்ந்த விதத்திலே you all can know. Right? You all can understand. So when you go to an interview, supposing I am there, I am interviewing you, you have to come and sit here. Come and sit like this. So in the sense, not making any noise. Walk, shake hands, take your seat. If I am going to sit there, you sit like this. Keep both your hands on your knees. Don't fold your hands. And when you speak, you have got two great weapons with you. What are these weapons? Eye contact. Two great weapons. Use them. Sir, I am so and so. I live here. Body language is very important. Body language includes that he has got low self-esteem. உங்களை வந்து இது பண்ணோன்னு சொல்லல, பொதுவா சொல்றேன். When you shake hands, smile. Look at my eyes. Yes, smile. And then you should ask me, how do you do? Ask me, how do you do? Don't feel shy. Don't feel shy. Recommend கையை பின்னால கட்டிங்கனாக்கா எனக்கு வந்து கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் இல்லை, இப்படி வச்சிங்கனாக்கா கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் அதிகமாக இருக்கு. இப்படி இல்லைங்க. How do you do? Same. When someone asks you how do you do, what should you say? No, you should say how do you do. But luckily today, no one uses how do you do. How do you do? How long is it since, please sit down. How long is it since I'm talking? 1 hour. 1 மணி நேரம் பேசி போனதுக்கு சரி ஏதாவது கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்க. How do you do? When someone says how do you do, what do you have to say? How do you do? The how do you do மட்டும் how are you, fine, thank you வராது. When I ask you how do you do, how this is how you do. I don't know why you are not laughing. He has answered it perfectly. When I say how do you do, how do you do, then you can say, you ask me how do you do? How do you do? Fine, I'm fine, thank you. How are you? That. You can either say or you can stop this how do you do. This is nonsense. You can ask him, hi, how are you? How are you? Come on, reply. I'm fine, thank you. And then proceed. How about you? How are you? Yeah, how's life doing? Something. So verbal, sit down, please sit down, all the three. Verbal questions are this. There are same examples like this. I mean, do you know also is the same. Do you know? Again is a verbal question. You pick this deliberately, improve your English, drop them. Not very difficult at all. Sir, I want to tell you something. The word use பண்ணுங்க. Speak in a broken way, like your English be in a broken way. நல்ல இங்கிலீஷ் பேசாதீங்க. Commit mistakes, make blunders. You can improve. First thing is you should speak. You should speak, and for God's sake, don't go to any finishing school. This is the time. You still have 6 months time. How long do you have? 6 months. In 6 months time you can do wonders. Wonders you can do. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா ஒவ்வொரு நாளைக்கு ஒவ்வொரு படியா நீங்க எங்கேயோ போயிடுவீங்க. நாளைக்கு எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணோம் காலையில? Don't smile, I can understand. What do you have to do tomorrow in the morning? Yes, ladies. I did not ask you to read newspaper. Stand before the mirror, smile at yourself, and then, very important, you have to say this. You also always should say that I am the best. If you think, what's it called? ஏதோ ஒரு காலேஜா எங்கேயோ மணிவாகத்தில் இருக்கா, ஓரமா 3 வருஷம் வந்து சேர்ந்துட்டேன், இது 4வது வருஷம், எனக்கு 6 அரியர்ஸ் இருக்கு. Do you understand Tamil? Most of you? இப்போ போய் எங்க நான் முன்னேற முடியுமா அப்படின்ட்டு நீங்க நினைச்சீங்கன்னாக்கா nothing can be possible. Nothing is possible. What is there if I have 6 years? I will clear it last in the next attempt. I will slowly improve. There is a lot of time for me. Do you know one of the best engineers, a product of IIT. IIT is the best engineering college in the world, in India, I think. One of the IIT products has given up his engineering and he has started writing novels. Who is he?
Chetan Bhagat.
Very good. Chetan Bhagat. And today he is one of the top, what do you call, millionaires in India. He has made a lot of money. Remember, if you write one novel and if you publish, you are settled. It is like playing cricket in international cricket. Once if you play cricket for India, your life is settled. So you can do a lot of wonders. Are you all ready? How many of you are going to write email to me? Send emails? Very good. I do not know your names, but please give me time, because once I receive 10 emails, I may not be able to give you replies. Give me 2 days time. Please keep in touch. In email, I'll tell you how to improve and what are the defects that you have, what are the shortcomings that you have, where you have to improve. Please also remember this SWOT. Do you know SWOT? SWOT analysis. What is that? It is, yes, very good. Strength, weakness, very good, very good. Strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. Opportunities and threat. Threat na Tamil. What is threat? Bayam. Okay. Some more or less like bayam you can say. You have to think about your strengths. You have to also analyze your weaknesses. You have to think about the opportunities, and then you have to think about the threats also. So let me complete my whatever you want, a boring lecture, a one-sided lecture, an inactive, passive lecture now. But before I complete, I would like to sum up what I have said. I started my lecture with 3 stories in order to emphasize 3 things: vision, wisdom, and I also try to talk about application.